guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to hear me very well because I'm at a very odd cooking location on the beach. It's super windy. I wish I'd come in the morning when the water and the waves and the wind would be a little bit less, but regardless, it's somewhere about 4 p.m. and we're going to try to cook something up really quick. Today on the menu I'm going to be doing some simple fish tacos. And one thing I like about the beach is that there's just so much firewood out here to actually cook with. But I'm here today with Sarah, who is a subscriber of mine.
Hey.
So she's out here to try some of the food.
Yes, I can't wait.
Which is going to be a whole vibe. And of course she's here with Vanilla. So it's going to be a vibe. Yeah, tell me about yourself. You got on this beautiful
yes,
top.
crochet top.
Where is it from?
So it's actually my brand. I made them, handmade everything, and you can find me on Instagram at knots_JA. That's KNOTTS. Knots_JA.
Awesome.
So,
yeah, you
so
see, the sand is crazy. So anyway, let's see if I can get the fire started. Someone was using here as a cook spot previously, so that's kind of cool. Get some firewood really quick and then yeah, get the show on the road, man.
Guys, there's a first for everything. Just imagine sitting on what? Mangrove?
Some kind of
to cut up seasoning, but that's what adventures are for. Alright, so we have our tomatoes, garlic, some thyme, scallion, and you can't leave out pepper, guys. Like, pepper is a must-have. Alright, so
Alright, just in case you guys might be wondering why I have my shades on, apart from the sun, like there's a lot of sand just beating everywhere, and that's why we came up to the top where it's a little bit away from the sun. Yeah, it's out here it's too windy, it's ridiculous, but anyway, we're gonna make it happen. I'm gonna cut up the ingredients for the tacos. We're doing fish tacos today. Very simple stuff, thankfully, because it was hard. Like, man, will be trial. But yeah, what we're gonna be doing right now is just to cut up all the seasonings that we're gonna need for today's dish, and then the easiest part is just cooking up the fish, and then we can finally just enjoy, you know, a little bit of nature that we can get out here, even though, you know, the sea is like super rough today. All right, so for the cabbage, you're doing it shredded. So the same way we shred a cabbage for like a coleslaw, that's how you're gonna want to do it, because for the taco, it's not gonna be cooked.
Yeah.
So you want it to be edible while you do that. So yeah, that's gonna be the vibe.
Okay. Let me just remove these. Remove these. Alright, so these can go right there. So I've learned from Steven, you know, to tuck the fingers under. And then I think I've watched enough food channels to, you know, kind of master this in some sense. But I don't want to put my finger, you know, will not be pretty.
All right, so we're trying to make enough tacos. We're making about 6 tacos, so
Okay.
just enough red onions to do that.
Alright.
Have you ever made tacos before?
Nope.
You've never
This
made
is
tacos
my
before?
first time.
Do you like tacos?
Yeah.
You love tacos?
No, I love food overall.
Food
So
overall.
anything at all, yeah.
Mad.
We're definitely right.
So again with this, we're gonna dice it up,
Okay.
but you're trying to dice it up small,
Okay.
because again, it's not gonna be a cooked item.
Yeah, so you don't want it to be overbearing.
Yeah, they don't want to burn you on them thing there, so
Okay.
it's gonna be the vibe.
Gotcha. Alright, so one way in which I think you can do this is by, you know,
Yep. That was actually the first way I learned to cut onions. So,
oh, nice.
yeah.
So guys, I know a thing or two from the chef said so you know.
Not a chef, just a regular bush cook.
Very good.
Let me see you have one ring on your finger. Are you married? Because I know before the questions even asked, the boys are going to ask, you know, they're going to be in the comments.
Single?
Single?
Single.
Okay, not married.
Yeah.
All right.
Not married.
Alright.
It's not what it looks like.
Alright, so we have some of the ingredients there.
So guys, remember, you know, you can't leave out one of the main key ingredients, which is pepper. Like,
So how I want this pepper to be done, I want it in a way that it's evident in a bite. So I don't want it to be
so you
thin.
want the colors to pop.
I want it to show. So it's like how this kind of shredded up,
Yeah.
the same type of vibe.
Okay.
So you can put it on the taco. Alright?
Okay.
Kind of like that, but thinner.
Okay.
If you bite into that, it's going to be like too hot. I know regular Jamaican thing we like doing this, but you never try to cut the knife towards you.
Okay.
I mean, if you have to, you have to, but you can have an item on the floor and the cutting board, you do that.
Oh, nice. See?
You can cut it how you want to cut it, you know. But if this way is easier for you, do it that way.
No, let me try this way. Let me try it from this end.
Tuck your fingers if you
Tuck the
can. Yeah.
fingers. Wave. Guys, if you don't really like the pepper that much, I would suggest stay away from the seeds. Okay, that's not good.
We wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Even in the hard time, you and I can weather any storm.
Alright, so we're just gonna get these limes a bit softer by rolling them. And cut up some cilantro for the tacos as well. Alright, so we have some fish here, some bassa fish. Pour some vinegar to clean it. Some water. So in the next video we're going to be doing some roast fish, so I'm going to take out some of these that have already been washed and cleaned. Take out the bigger ones. Some egg yolk. A bit more. See. Some more. Give me one heap spoon, one heap spoon.
Okay.
Alright, sour cream time. into some of the pepper. I'd say one of those spoons. And can you give me a little bit more of the pepper? I feel like we might need a little bit more.
Just stretch it by this.
Yeah. And some garlic powder. Give me like a half tablespoon of garlic powder. Mix.
When you chef, you have to concentrate, you know.
And we have a lime. Just mix it and taste and tell me what you think.
Yeah.
Alright, so you said more pepper, yeah?
More pepper.
Alright. Of course, the dark caught us. I'll do this dish again on another beach, maybe with some fresh caught fish. But fish doesn't take long to fry up, so the dish is basically prepared. I just have to toast some of the tortillas really quickly in a dry frying pan and just assemble everything. The only thing I think that was missing is avocado, but you know that is. I don't think it's in season at the moment, or I'm not seeing many sellers with it. But yeah, I think the fish is good because it's beginning to break apart. So what I want is just some really thick slabs of fish in the taco. You get a big bite with that, and that should be us. take a bite of the fish and tell me. Looks pretty crispy. It looks good. I have no clue what it tastes like.
So it's definitely crispy.
It's crispy.
The inside isn't, overcooked.
It's not overcooked.
No, so it's actually, so you get that crispiness on the outside and that soft
Thing on the inside. Awesome. All right,
it's
some
spicy though.
spicy.
Yeah. I don't know.
You like spicy
I like
stuff?
it, so.
Okay. Vibes.
It's good.
Cooking in the absolute dark. Fams. This is gonna be as best as I can get it because I can hardly see. I didn't bring a lantern or enough stuff to do this taco how I wanted to. So, but we're gonna make it work just as is. One thing at a time. So let's get this taco built because it's dark.
Yeah. So I would actually prefer to, tear it up.
To tear it up?
Yeah. Okay. And let's see if I can. So it's like this. Alright, so now just going to drizzle some lime on this lemon. This is what
Did you put the sauce on it?
No, hold on. Ooh. This is really what's going to let us know if this is worth it, because trust me guys, challenges. Alright, so it's this. Ready? So excited!
And don't lie. If you don't like it, just say you don't like it.
One more bite. It's actually really good.
It's good.
Just sauce.
The sauce is what sets it off, right? If there was some avocados, that would have made it even banging. She didn't add any cilantros to hers, so she took out a component out of it.
But this is really nice.
It's good.
Yeah, man.
Vibes.
It's worth it.
It's worth all the struggle. All the struggle we went through. Jeez. And we still have one more dish to do.
Yeah, man, this is a vibe.
It's a vibe? Alright, awesome. So you got the chance to try one of these dishes. And this is not even this dish at its full potential, because if you want it better, you do fresh fish, as in fresh caught fish. It's going to make it better. Some avocado is going to make it better. And of course, you see me, things better. It's a cool off because of the wind, but it's banging.
No, man, this is really nice.
It's really good. Well,
Sorry, but it's nice.
you made maybe this 50% of it because you did the cut it up and everything, and what the color. All right, vibes. So I'm gonna try one. just inches in time, I'm just gonna put 2 of those bad boys together. Drop this in all the way. Drop some cabbage, bit of cilantro, some tomatoes. Man, I just tossed everybody in there.
If you like spice, so it really does.
Purple onions and pepper. I can hardly see what I'm doing. And then the sauce. I'm not pouring any lime on mine, to be honest, because the sauce already has a bit of citrus in there. Yeah, more sauce to me, more sauce. Yep, thank you. And I have a very beefy taco. I'm sorry that's not the most beautiful looking thing, but I'm a pig out. All right, I honestly think I deserve this taco. Like, we've been out here grinding to make this happen. Yo, drop a like on the video if you like this, because halfway through I was about to be like, yo, I'm done. Like, I'm not even gonna do this. It was so much, but yo, got some Scotch bonnet pepper. And it got a lot of dimension, like the crunchiness from the fish. The only thing that's missing is the avocado. That would have just made it like banging, but it's messy. But I don't care, Holmes. It's so good. This was worth it. The tomatoes.
I didn't even remember tomatoes originally.
Yo. You see I make our next one.
Yeah, man. I never put everything on it, so I forgot again.
Oh, you forgot the tomatoes last time.
Yeah. The winner give me a fat. Ooh. But don't know the thing though. Looks good, doesn't it? Tell me, sometimes we can't go with this twitch thing, just have to get messy. Yeah. Alright.
How is it with the tomatoes now?
Sam, I can't talk right now.
Alright, so we are about to close this video off. Out of 10, how would you grade this dish?
I would say 10 out of 10. I don't think I've ever had a fish taco, but if this is what it's supposed to taste like, yeah, it tastes good.
It's pretty good. It was a pretty good one. So 10 out of 10.
Yeah, man.
Awesome, man. Alright, guys, so we're going to wrap this video up. Yo, if you guys respect the grind, you know, trying to get, you know, some of you guys out to try out the food, you know, this whole, you know, just the whole experience and just to see what it's like, you know, being in the outdoor environment and just cooking and going through all the struggles, drop a like on the video. And I'll catch you guys in the... You're still shaking your head around there, like, it's good. I'll catch you guys in the next one where we're going to finish off doing some roast fish, simple stuff. But if you guys want to see more of this environment and just the food and see a bit of Sarah, I'll catch you on the next one. Remember these 3 things: love, nature, and adaptation. Seal it up because I don't have...
Remember to always keep the link